Sometimes in life, we can know about Jesus through what others say. But the most powerful question we'll ever have to answer is this: who do you say he is? Matthew 16:15-16 state, He saith unto them, But whom say they that I am? And Simon Peter answered and said, Thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. In this moment, Jesus turns the spotlight from the crowd to his disciples. People were saying all sorts of things about him. Some thought he was John the Baptist, others Elijah, or one of the prophets. But then Jesus makes it personal. But who do you say that I am? Peter's response was bold and full of faith. Thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. He didn't repeat what others thought. He declared who Jesus truly was to him. And that's where the power lies. It's easy to live off of what we've heard, what our parents, friends, or pastors say about Jesus. But at the end of the day, your faith isn't built on second-hand opinions. It's built on your own revelation of who Jesus is in your life. When you see him as the Christ, the Savior, Redeemer, and Son of the living God, everything changes. Your struggles no longer define you, because you know you have a deliverer. Your fears no longer control you, because you know you have a protector. Your past no longer chains you, because you know you have a forgiver. Jesus is asking you today, just as he asked Peter, who do you say I am? Is he just a story you've heard? Or is he truly the Son of God who gives life, hope, and salvation? Let this be the day where your answer is more than just words. It becomes your testimony. Like Peter, may we boldly declare, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. And when we truly believe that, doors of faith, strength, and blessing will open in ways we've never imagined. So today, I encourage you. Don't just know about Jesus, know him for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.